I'm so excited to share with you these 4-foot cedar trees. They were gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open and see what we have.
It did come with 2 of the 4-foot trees. They did come in 2 pieces, but were very easy to install. These 4-foot trees are UV resistant and also a string of LED lights per tree. These Topiary trees are really lifelike and also add a little bit of charm to your front door. It really was easy to put them together and to fluff them out. The base of these trees is weighted and will stand the test of time. They do suggest that you fluff them out and kind of move them around a little bit, making them more realistic. These trees are designed for people who appreciate natural beauty. Each one of the cedar trees do come with a remote, so it's easy to change your light setting. Let's get these on and see how they look. Now this is the box where you'll put the AA batteries, and it's very easy. It just flips right open. You put the batteries in, and then you'll close it back up. I really liked creating such a warm ambiance for my front door with these lights. Look how great that they look. I can't wait to see them at nighttime. I kind of hid the LED box behind the stem of the tree. It was very easy and very discreet. Now on the LED string, you can adjust the light setting from the box where the batteries go in. And I'm just going to put it back there discreetly and hide it. Turn on the other one. I really like how this looked on my front door at night. It was very warm and inviting. Look how easy it is to change the light setting from the remote too. I just really like how this looks. All in all, these are great topia for your front door or anywhere in your home that you want to add a little bit of elegance to the area. Have a great day, guys.